I loved this internship. I was not going into this expecting to learn as much as I have. I was more so like, that's going to be so fun when we die. So like, really, we were applying every single day, everything that we were taught. We were given the genuine lessons that I was able to keep in my head. More difficult to do these days because you are receiving so much information all the time, but this was really valuable.
Yes, I totally agree. I enjoyed it so much. We learned so much new stuff in such a short time. I would love to stay here longer. Yeah. We learned a lot from the presentations, but also bring the theory into practice while diving. So yeah, we just really love it.
Yes, I love it too. And just exactly the fact that you learn stuff in class and then you go into the water and see the things. You see them and enjoy them. You learn a lot like this, and it's a very beautiful experience.
I really liked, although it was difficult the first couple of times, I loved gathering and setting our matrix while we were diving. So that was really where I think I improved on my diving. It wasn't like I was trying to improve on my diving, I wasn't focused on it, but because we were doing something at the same time, I just found every single day I was getting better and better, and it was getting easier, and it was just, then I was able to apply all this information that I knew, and wow, getting better. It was really amazing.
Yes. For me, the same. Actually, I didn't really dive before this, so everything was new. Breathing underwater, everything was new. It was so cool to just get better every dive. It's amazing. And now I feel like a pro diver.
So I started diving here and just seeing the underwater world and being inside of it. And it's also hard to say what was the best part because it was very cool.
Absolutely. I think I'm the youngest one here, so I feel as if I was a little short of knowledge coming into this, but I feel like I've been able to learn so much, whether it be learning to write manuscript, how to try to use the computer, because I thought I knew, but did not. And then I just feel as if I'm caught up to speed with what comes next. Because it's one-on-one, at least it genuinely cares about where we go next and how we do. So there's no way I feel like I'm not speaking. It's what happens, because we don't really get explained to very often what happens next. And so it's really nice to just be able to know exactly what's coming, exactly what I should do. It was so helpful.
Yeah, for me, I learned a lot by doing the research from the beginning till the end, the whole research, and just seeing every part of it, doing every part of it, and learning new methods underwater, because I never done underwater research. It was new. It was a struggle, but I learned so much, and I enjoyed it.
Yeah, I think this is a very unique experience because you see how a marine biologist works in his and for her field, and that's just very nice to live and to see, and just doing all the work and having someone that is following you and that tells you what to do and how the things are made.
Absolutely, I would. And I already have, by the way. My mother has tons of little friends like, oh, what do you do today? They're like, I want to do that. I want to do something. So, yeah. But I think that this internship is different from other internships that I was looking at because they really, again, it's one-on-one. You get to be very close and personal information that you have, but also it just is so, applied. I don't feel like I was treated like a child when I came here, or like I was less than. But when I came here, it was like I was treated like I was working. I was treated like I was gathering data. And it was just really helpful to know that this is exactly what could come next for me, what I wanted to do. And it was just so clearing of my brain of, do I want to do this or not? Yes, I do. Or some, no, I don't. But for me, absolutely. It was just. Perfect.
I would definitely recommend it too. Yeah, we just talked about this. You don't do the easy jobs here. You just run with you and you just do the same things that you would do if you would work here or do something like this, and that's very interesting and you learn a lot and you know exactly that this would be something for you. So yeah, I would definitely work.
Yes, I would also totally recommend it. I think that if you're interested in the sea and its ecosystems, its animals, it's just you learn so much, and it can just be an enriching experience.